Sunday fam, welcome back to another reaction video. After years and years, finally have some semblance of LOONA back.
Yes.
With Odd Eye Circle, Kim Lip, Jin Soul, and Choerry, and Hustle and Hye Jin under ARTMS strategy.
Yes.
And with all of the other members kind of split up and scattered amongst different other agencies. This is what we got.
I mean, shame on Blockberry for not treating their artists correctly. And so we are going to get some semblance of LOONA back. Of course, not in their original state where they're all together, but at least we got Odd Eye Circle. Can't wait to see what Hye Jin, Chu, and Eves do in their respective areas.
Well, Hye Jin is with our ARTMS. Hye Jin and Hustle are with them.
Well, I don't know if they're going to be soloists.
It's just everyone is scattered around, and so this one, ARTMS, is purely Odd Eye Circle with Hye Jin and Hustle.
Okay.
So let's react to the title track of their newest Version Up album, I think it's called.
Yes.
Air Force One.
It would be great to see YYXX or YYXY again and 1/3 again, but
it would have been
that's
great
just
to
not
see.
reality.
It would have been great to see everyone.
Everyone,
but
yes.
Unfortunately, that's not the case. I haven't seen Kim Lip in forever.
Haven't seen them in forever. Let's go. Woo. The eye patch? That's Choerry, right?
No, that's Kim Lip.
That's Kim Lip, yeah. That's Choerry.
Who's doing that? That's Jin Soul. That's Choerry. Oh, stop.
Oh! There we go.
I think Choerry is the one that was doing the very, very high vocals.
Perhaps.
Are we gonna get a Jin Soul rap?
We're gonna get Choerry rap. You're still representing the LOONAverse.
I like his breakdown. Oh no, maybe it's Kim Lip.
Oh!
Whoa! What did you see?
I thought that was Hye Jin. Right? Is it?
I mean,
Oh,
kinda
am I
does.
losing my mind? That's her.
Kinda does.
That's her. Oh my god, that's her.
I mean, to be honest, it's been 5 years, so a lot of people look like rather
but
different.
that's her.
I mean, yeah, it looks like her.
Yes, that's so awesome.
But you know, the other members have always been in the subunit stuff.
Oh, that was like when Hye Jin came on view, I was just like, oh my god, because this song was so LOONA. It was just that typical, or not typical, but like that iconic LOONA sound.
It is. It reminds me of Stars a lot.
Exactly.
But
Yeah,
without
yeah.
like the, all of the
Right,
choose vocals.
Right.
But still,
Oh.
this may be an unpopular opinion, but I'm glad that most of my biases survived. Kim Lip, Jin Soul, and Hye Jin.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm still waiting on Chu to like land somewhere, but
She should just come back and join Artemis.
I mean,
to
why
be honest.
didn't they just do it all there? Because obviously that's the perfect scenario for them to continue on. Well, just that LOONA
There might have been like a behind the scenes thing where like Artemis couldn't afford all of them,
perhaps. But that was such a big surprise to see her there.
Was.
And the song itself is very LOONA. I loved every piece of it. It was very intriguing, the same way like the subunits introduced their songs. It had a lot of mystery, like what is this? Is there a new story now? We saw the moon in there, so it feels like there's a continuation. I don't know.
I felt like, well, the track was called Air Force One. I felt like the imagery that I was seeing was them kind of coming back, of course, like just representing them coming back, and seeing a whole bunch of people that have like kind of been there,
right?
And they were like beating those like, let's get out of my way. We're finally back, right? And so it's like kind of like shaking things up, shaking the industry back up, and that's what I thought.
Oh, I'm so happy. So happy.
We're gonna react to Air Force One, their dance performance on One the K. Oh,
Okay.
oh, they're showing all of the levels of like dance.
The vocals, yeah. Ooh, 200%. I can't like pay attention.
Jeez, Kim Lip did the high notes.
Only 5%. That's awesome. Jin Soul going crazy though.
They're probably gonna take turns doing the 100%.
Wow. You said Hye Jin, come dance with me.
Let's see it.
Right?
I think it's Hye Jin something else, like in Korean. Come
Yeah. Okay. I bet you that's like when she showed up in that video.
Gosh. Well, they're all 5%.
Oh, the handwork.
I really like that part. It's so catchy.
Yeah.
Da, 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 da.
I'm dizzy. Oh, good job.
So good to be. So good that they're back. I'm elated right now.
Yeah.
I'm so glad that they're back. So glad that we have their sound back, and just the hint of Hye Jin in the background. It's like it's not just Odd Eye Circle. Obviously, this is an Odd Eye Circle music video, but in the past
Right.
with LOONA,
Yeah.
in all of their subunits, they always had some other members just kind of in the
Just kind of
background.
guest appearing. Yeah.
Yeah.
I really do hope that there's some kind of continuation to their story, because like it can't end there. Like they have their unique sound. And so I'm very hopeful. I'm very happy. You guys let us know in the comment section below, like what you think the future is for the ex-members or the future members of this. You know?
I mean, you know, I think there's two possibilities I'm thinking of right now. Obviously, Vivi is off doing her own thing, so the 1/3 can't come back. Hye Jin and Hye Soul, they're not in Odd Eye Circle, so it's either that they create a new subunit of them. Hye Jin comes and dances
right.
with them.
Well, I mean,
And there's another subunit with them, and there's a subunit with them and Hye Soul.
yeah, maybe it just be like two subunits to kind of combine like another LOONA.
Oh man, we can't wait for more to come from Odd Eye Circle and I guess from ARTMS, and see where Hye Jin and Hye Soul land on their feet.
In any case, that is it for us, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. We're excited for Odd Eye Circle and the future of whatever comes with Hye Jin and Hye Soul and the rest of the ex-LOONA members. Leave your comments in the section below. Leave us a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and tap that bell so you know when we post new videos. And once again, this is what we're watching this Sunday. We'll see you next time.